Good morning, students. I am Anshu Gupta and I did MSc MPhil in Chemistry, B.Ed, CTAT and different state TAT exams, and I am total having 12.5 years of experience in teaching. And today we will discuss about periodic classification of elements. Okay, I think it is visible now. So what does it need to classify the elements? First of all, we will talk about the elements. At present, 118 elements are known, and out of that 94 elements are naturally occurring. Okay, but in the old centuries, approximately 18th century, in front of scientists it is a big task to classify the elements. Okay, so what does it need to classify the elements? Okay, let's take an example to understand this particular classification. Suppose I want to meet a student that is studying in a particular school, let's say name Ajay. Okay, and I have gone to the school reception and I want to just meet the Ajay. Okay, without telling any full name, father initial, section, class, roll number, etc. So it will be a tough task for the school reception because there may be so many Ajay in different classes and sections. Okay, so I have to address the particular student with particular addressing. Okay, so that is the need of the classification of elements, so that we can locate the elements in a proper way. Okay, so earlier attempts were there that scientists have taken according to the similar properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, but that was not proper. That was not a proper way. Okay, so Dauber-Renner, okay, he was a German scientist. Full name was Johann Wolfgang Dauber-Renner. In 1817, tried means Dauber-Renner has given a triad. Triad means a group of elements. So how he made this group of elements? This group of elements based on the principle that the atomic weight of the middle one element will be the average of the first and the third one element. Okay, you can see I have written here elements, three elements in a group, and I have written here three triads. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, and chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, so Dauber-Renner triad means triad is a group of elements. Okay, so we will discuss about these are the atomic weights of the particular elements, like lithium 6.9, sodium 23, potassium 39, calcium. Okay, we will talk about this first. So let's check whether if we take an average of these first and third, will we get the value of 23, the atomic weight of the middle one element. Let's see, 6.9 plus 39 divided by 2, that will be 45.9 divided by 2. Okay, that will be approx. Okay, and that will be approx 23, and 23 is the atomic weight of the sodium. So this triad according to the Dauber-Renner triad rule. Okay, now we will check about the calcium, strontium, and barium. We will take the sum of these two, 40.1, that is the atomic weight of calcium, and atomic weight of barium is 137.3 divided by 2, because we are taking the average of these two. Okay, that will be 4, 7 and 1 divided by 2, that will be 4. That is approx to the strontium. And we will talk about the chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay, chlorine, bromine, and iodine we will talk about 35.5 plus 126.9 divided by 2, that will be 4, 12, 6. If we take the exact one now, then there will be some experimental data otherwise also. Okay, so in this way Dobereiner has given these triads. He has given another one triad, that is of nitrogen, phosphorus and arsenic, but that does not follow the triads rule. Okay, so that was a rule for the classification of the elements, that is given by Dobereiner. And here is a name also, periodic. Periodic means repetition. Repetition means there will be a repetition after a regular time interval. Okay, repetition in what? Repetition in properties of the elements. Okay, have you seen the motion of the pendulum, clock pendulum? Okay, means pendulum is suppose in this position, and it will go for a round and it will come back to the original position, and then it will again go in the similar way. Okay, it means after a regular time interval it will repeat its motion. Okay, so in this way periodic means properties will be repeated after a regular time interval, and it will and we will discuss it later. Okay, thank you.